Get new spark plugs on the 2017 2.0 hybrid. Move that cover. We're just going to take these 4 out, 10 millimeter. You don't have to worry about this. We can work around that. Really simple. Out. Pull all these out. I'm going to put these in and spray off with the air first and get crap out of there. There we go. Get right to the plugs. Get her 5/8. Break them all loose and pull them out. Plug. There we go, and then you use the plug. This one's not actually getting plugs, but I needed to remove them for something else. Put new plugs in, same way you took them out. Take your new spark plugs. Make sure your threads are facing down. And I'm going to tighten them as much as I can by hand. That way I'm not like putting any real power on it to cross thread it. That'd be a bad move. Put those down there. I'm going to do that to each one. We get these snug. You don't want to over tighten them to get them in there good. Back in. Screws back in there. That's all there is to it. You do this in your driveway. Make everybody think like you really know what you're doing, and it's really easy. Cover back on. There you go. Now spark plugs on these are recommended every 100,000 miles. On a turbo, they're recommended about every 60,000.